We're here at Keene Building Products to talk about one of the most innovative furring strips on the market today, our product, Easy Fur.
It's precisely engineered to guarantee a consistent 10mm gap to ensure a flawless installation every time. Unlike traditional wood furring strips that can lead to excess moisture in your walls that lead to mold, rot, and potentially long-term wall damage, Easy Fur is designed for superior performance. Its innovative structure promotes omnidirectional ventilation and 90% full wall drainage, leaving your walls dry and protected.
Weighing just 6.5 pounds per 100 linear feet, Easy Fur is lightweight, easy to handle, and streamlines installation. No special tools required. Now, let me show you how Easy Fur makes all the difference.
Start by checking that the wall is structurally sound, with WRB and flashing properly installed. Run it horizontally at the base and top of the wall to vent and close off the system. For 1/2-inch OSB or plywood, roll out Easy Fur over the WRB, dimples facing in, aligned with studs 16 inches on center. Fasten with 1/2-inch staples or nails starting at the top. For builds with 1-inch insulation over sheathing, follow the same steps using 16 nails with 1/2-inch caps. At windows and trim, and install Easy Fur at the top and bottom to allow airflow and block debris. That's it. Roll it out, fasten it down, and move on. Easy Fur delivers consistent air gaps, fast drainage, and simple, lightweight installation. No shims, no hassle. Make your next job easier. Ask for Easy Fur.
Thank you for learning about Easy Fur, the most innovative furring strip for modern cladding solutions. If you have any questions or would like some more information, please visit our website, keenebuilding.com.